Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix CapCut not working. So if you're having some issues with your CapCut, if it is lagging or there are a lot of issues within it, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that we could try to do regarding this one is certainly just close the CapCut app and then launch it back again. So try to see if it will remove all the laggings or anything, or you could try to restart your device as well. But if none of that did work, then here onto CapCut, inside this, there is a settings that you could go ahead and tweak. Here onto the menu, if you click here onto the upper part, just click onto settings and you should be able to find in different settings in here. So you could go ahead and clear the cache size for this one so that it will go ahead and clear up some space onto your device so that it will help within the performance as well. So just simply click onto this one and it should go ahead and refresh everything that you have onto your device. Here under edit as well, you could go ahead and try to change some frame rate in here. You could make this onto the lowest one so that it will help also to avoid lagging onto your videos. Right after we have the performance also in here, just make sure that this one also is turned on since this will help within the performance of the editing of the videos. So right after, once you're already set, just simply click on to save to go ahead and save the changes onto your device. So they should go ahead and refresh the settings that you have in here. So after saving, you could try out to close all of the open tabs in here, refresh your device, and open CapCut again to see if it did fix your CapCut. And that is just basically it, how you fix CapCut that is not working. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.